Right. These will be the elevators at the Holiday Inn Express off US 60 here in Mesa/Phoenix. So you cannot get off on this floor. So let's look at our elevator now before we go back down. These are hydraulics with the high word spell. Let's go to 1. We're gonna get off at 5. Phoenix room, please do not disturb. Okay. There must be a hotel room up there, probably a penthouse suite is what I imagine.